guys, welcome again to another edition of our Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. It is a perfect opportunity for you guys if you're looking for a supplier. Now this is the time. Stick around, we're going to be going around the factory of Jollybaby Products Company Limited. All right, and we were going to be evaluating 5 key factors. That's really imperative that you should know these 5 key factors before you even pick a supplier. And these 5 key factors are the product safety, safety assurance system, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility. So just follow me. We're going to be going around the company and I'll talk more about it. All right? Dongguan Jollybaby Products Company Limited has over 10 years of experience in research and development. They serve 30 countries worldwide and have sold over 200 million toys to all the consumers worldwide as well. They focus or specialize more on plush toys, cloth books, e-books, early educational toys, baby products, preschool, name it. Right now, I'm at their showroom and it is massive and huge. And the company has actually 7 brands. And what I can see here is what they have right now is the Bally Bazoo. We're gonna talk more about that later on. We have Bebek Baby, Sazi, Cuton Mommy. I almost forgot. All the designs here have been applied with their patents, have been registered. And not only that, I also want to mention that they also follow or been certified with EN71 standards, ASTM, F963, and all these stuff. They use only high-quality friendly materials, of course. They go under strict manufacturing process and standards. They comply with ISO 901 standards and meet toy safety standards such as EN71, ASTM, F963. They also have the FAMAS certification. So it's a quite busy day today. Automated sewing machines, that is huge and massive. They can give demands all over the world. So Jollybaby takes pride with their hand sewing team, and not only just a regular hand sewing team, but most of them have 20 years of experience. And I want to share and show around. As you can see, we're in the hand sewing department. They take pride with hand craftsmanship, and we have ni hao. Yeah. And she has 20 years of experience in hand sewing. As you can see, she's busy working, and but with 20 years of experience, look at that. So I'm here right now at the R&D department where the design takes place, pattern making samples for their engineers to optimize, and the inspection for certification. They also have can you follow me? They also have the 3D design department and laser cutting and the model house. So as you can see, we are here right now. I'm so lucky I can actually see some new designs. I guess you're envious.